Anybody go please speak to me?
Yes.
Anybody go talk to me?
Yes.
Okay. What is happening?
Sir,
What's your name?
I'm Daniel.
Okay. You are from where?
I'm from Nembe.
From Nembe Bayelsa.
Yes, Nembe Ogunmaibiri.
So what is happening?
So as you can see, the road construction is going on. Everything, there is no problem. So the construction is going on.
Okay. So and they have almost. When are they finishing?
Maybe by August or maybe by next month.
By next month.
Yeah, in 2 months' time.
Okay, so all of you are Bayelsans and you are working with the Chinese there?
Yes, sir.
And you are happy? Are you happy with them?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yes.
Them put it so that they should quickly do the job finish.
They will do it. Thank you.